How to fix microphone won't work on iPhone after the iOS 17 update. So let's get started. First of all, check for the basic issues, such as try restarting your iPhone. Press the volume down button and power button simultaneously. Then simply wait for 10 seconds for your phone to restart. All you have to do is a simple reboot and it can fix temporary glitches. Now ensure the microphone holes, bottom, front and back are clean and free from dust. After these basic issues, let's go to the settings. Now once inside the settings, scroll down and simply tap on the privacy and security option available there. Once inside the privacy and security, again scroll down and look for the microphone and simply tap on it. Inside microphone, make sure that the apps that need the mic like WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. have microphone access enabled. Now, once done so, go back to the settings again. Now this time tap on the general, then scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. What happens is this won't delete your data but reset all the system settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.